Investing for beginners. How I make millions. Step 1. Start with the basics. Investing is simply making your money work for you, instead of you only working for money. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest, earning profits on top of profits. Even small amounts, like $5 or 1,000 PKR a week, add up over years. Step 2. Build a safety net first. Before investing, create an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Pay off high-interest debt, like credit cards. This keeps you safe from financial shocks, so you don't have to pull money out of investments too soon. Step 3. Understand the main investment options. Stocks, shares of companies high growth but can be risky short-term. Bonds, loans to governments/companies safer, steady returns. Index funds/ETFs, collections of many stocks, safer than buying single stocks. Real estate, buying property to rent or sell later. Businesses/side hustles, investing in your own skills or projects. Step 4. Play the long game. The real secret to millions isn't gambling on hot stocks. It's long-term consistency. Example, if you invest $500 per month in an index fund with an average 10% return in 30 years, you'll have $1+ million. That's the power of compounding. Step 5. Diversify, don't put all eggs in one basket. Spread investments across stocks, bonds, and other assets. If one thing falls, others protect you. A simple beginner portfolio, 80% stock index fund plus 20% bond fund. Step 6. Automate, stay consistent. Automate your investments, weekly or monthly. Ignore short-term market crashes. Millionaires are made by holding steady when others panic. Step 7. Keep learning, growing income. Invest not just money, but also in yourself, skills, side businesses, career growth. The more you earn, the more you can invest. Millionaires often reinvest profits instead of spending everything. White heavy checkmark the formula for millions. Start early plus invest consistently plus reinvest profits plus stay patient equals wealth over time.